Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out the new Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen. This is my first time using it, so you will get my live first impression. So if you want to learn more about this new brow product, then just keep watching. So I found this online whenever I was looking up new products and I thought it looked really cool. It's supposed to give a microblading effect, so that is one reason I wanted to try it out. And one of my friends who works for Benefit loves this product and she told me a little bit more about it, so I wanted to share that with you as well. So here is what the packaging looks like. And then here is what the product looks like. And then the end of it. So my friend was telling me that the tip is nylon, so it's not polyester, and it is not felt tip. So with the nylon end, that gives a more precise application and better consistency. So I am very excited to try it out. She said to have a light hand, which I feel like that's good for any product because you can always build the product. It's a lot easier to build than to take away. So this pen is also waterproof, 24-hour wear, smudge proof. I kind of wish I would have found out about this sooner because this would have been perfect for the beach, the lake, by the pool. Yes, I'm one of those people who wears a little bit of makeup, even to the pool, even to the lake. Not a lot, but I do add a little something to my brows, waterproof mascara, and concealer because my dark circles are so bad. Not like a full face because it is way too hot for that. But this is supposed to give your brows a more natural look, which I have actually been doing a lot more lately, mainly because I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup. But like I said, this is the first time I am trying this, so you get to see me trying it out for the first time, getting my live first impression, so hopefully it won't go too bad. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I don't want to, but I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit. Oh, look at those wrinkles. Okay. So before I do my brows, I always like to comb through them, make sure I get out any foundation and just comb them into place. So you want to lead with the longest prong, so you want that side to be closest to your nose. I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie. Maybe I should have tried this off camera first. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm gonna start right in here instead of right at the beginning. That way I can kind of see how it's gonna be. Make sure I'm still in the viewfinder. I am so close to y'all. Okay. Okay, I know I've only done like 4 strokes, but I love it. Look just with that. I love this. Look at that. Just with the front. And that took like 2 seconds. So normally when you do brows with like a solid pencil, if that makes sense, you can't really place it down like that. But since it has the spacing, you could totally do it. Y'all, I love this. Okay, let's see. The end might be a little... No, the end's not tricky either. Okay, so when you get to the tail of your brow, you want to turn it this way and have the long end at the top and draw it like that. And then only use the end when you get to the very tip because I kind of wanted to trace the bottom just because that's how I do with a normal pencil, but you don't have to with this. You want to place it the direction the hair grows, if that makes sense. Look at that. They really do look microbladed. Y'all, I am obsessed with this. I think this might be my new favorite brow product. It really looks microbladed and it was so easy to use. Even using it for the first time, I did my brows so quick, as y'all could see, and I think anybody could use this. It's not very dark, the product, so it's easy not to use too much. Love it. Okay, let's do the other side. I really wish I would have found this sooner. Okay. The only thing is just getting used to how this is versus a normal pencil. So that is the only thing, is just changing the habit. But y'all seriously have got to go get this pen. It is so awesome. Definitely my new favorite brow product. I'm going to be using it every time I do my brows. But you can buy it at Ulta and Sephora. But if you buy it on Ulta's website right now, you get a free professional sample. And then if you spend $45 with Benefit at Ulta, you get a free makeup bag. Pretty sure it's online while supplies last as well, because I think that's part of 21 Days of Beauty. They have a lot of gift with purchase, but I know for sure online this comes in 4 different colors. I am using the medium brown, which is the second to last darkest, and I think it is the perfect color for me. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this kind of brow tutorial slash first impression. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.